Prashant. I work with a company called Chronologies. We are primarily a telecom equipment software company. Been in the IVR business, we studied mission for a long time. So a few years ago, one of our managers said, "Kuch mobile mein karo." So what we decided to do was bring customer service to the mobile phone directly. So today you have, biggest problem is thousands of people are calling in, all of us call up Vodafone, Airtel, for all sorts of problems. You're put in a queue, and eventually you speak to somebody who doesn't really know what you're talking about, he transfer you ahead. So we said, why don't we bring all that interaction onto the cell phone? A lot of people are already doing that. Okay, but when you're using your cell phone to solve a problem like activate a service or deactivate a service, you need some help. At that point of time, again you call up, you're waiting in a queue. So the customer really doesn't want all that BS to happen all the time. Okay, so you're frustrated. So what we decided to do was that a lot of service providers are outsourcing their businesses of call centers to third parties. But at any given point of time, you never have the right number of people available to answer the calls. Okay? So, yeah, so what we do today is, you have a mobile app typically on your cell phone. I've done something, I want to speak to somebody, I press a button, talk to me. We capture all sorts of information from the phone and send it to a middleware server who then detects that this is the particular customer, this is his problem, he was on so and so page of the application. Route his request to a qualified agent to call him back. Okay? Typical agent will be somebody who's using Sugar CRM or Zendesk or Amdocs or whichever CRM system. And from his browser, directly from his browser, no separate headset, telephone equipment or no separate apps installed on the desktop computer, he'll call you back. Okay? You can go ahead. No, go ahead. Okay, so at this point of time, what we've done is that the right person has called you up and said, "Hi Prashant, so you were looking at this particular transaction, what can I help you with and how can I solve your problem for you?" Or if I'm looking for an ATM machine of Bank of Maharashtra, I'm not able to locate it. So all that information has gone to him and he can actually pinpoint and tell me that it's located at so and so place. Now one of the problems also, a lot of people are doing this also. So now one of the problems is that agent who's going to call you back, there's no surety that he's going to be available within the next 5 minutes or 7 minutes or 10 minutes. So this is a problem that we're actually solving. That you have pre-contracted outsourced contact centers who handle such queries and we negotiate contracts with you to bring that call to you. Yeah, that's what the idea is about.